I installed 19 solar panels on this 28-foot travel trailer from Jayco. This setup allows me to take advantage of excellent boondocking spots through places like Harvest Host. More panels means less concern about weather conditions. Initially, I installed 13 solar panels, and the front 3 were my primary concern, with wind resistance being an unknown factor. 6 solar panels were added later, and I still gave myself room to walk between them. In my situation, having 2,000 watts in solar panels, I'm able to run the air conditioner full time while recharging my 700 amp hour battery bank, and my feline friends stay nice and comfortable. In my experience, I found that traveling actually allows the solar panels to perform better than being stationary. Mounting the solar panels close to the roofline was a beneficial consideration. I get to drive through places for the very first time, not knowing what's in front of me. And no matter how well you plan your routes, you can try to adjust for having a trailer, but you never really know what's going to happen. There's just too many variables to account for. Majority of the time, you're not going to get full power from your solar panels. You only have so many hours in any given day to get the best performance. In one situation, it may be 80%, another time it may be 40%. I have seen over 1900 watts with this setup in Virginia, which is kind of interesting, but overall you get about 50%. Pennsylvania has some great weather compared to Florida in the summertime, but even this spot here through Harvest Host, the airstream when the temperatures rose had to bring out a generator, while my RV just stayed cool. Without noisy generators, the only thing left to do is to enjoy the view. Mr. is fully enjoying his travels. This property here, we were the only ones. Even though you see the RVs around us, they belong to the owner. A beautifully managed property, and it did not cost us even 1 penny. I live and work full-time on the road from my RV. Could you do a lifestyle like this?